Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lewiston, local and long-distance movers near me. Ready to travel the miles to move you to the place you want and whenever you want. However, everybody knows that the longer the distance to cover for a move, the more the chances of things going wrong. Therefore, choose the efficient and highly skilled movers to have a smooth long-distance move. If we're helping you, then you can rest easy throughout the moving process. When you reach us for the local moving services under the distance of 60 miles in Lewiston, you will see our local movers right away at your place to evaluate your belongings. After that, depending upon all the factors to plan a move, we give you a tailor-made local moving service plan. With us, you get the punctual movers who reach on time on a moving day to quickly pack and transport your goods with full care and protection. Being local movers, we can choose the best routes for you and ensure your full safety the entire time. So if you have prepared your mind to move locally to Lewiston for whatever reason, then contact our movers soon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lewiston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.